So hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we discuss about dollar sign and history of US dollar. Dollar sign. The symbol usually used written before the numerical amount is used for the US dollar as well as for many other currencies. The sign was the result of late 18th century evolution for the scribble abbreviation ES for the peso, the common name of the Spanish dollar that were in wide circulation in the New World from the 16th to 19th century. The P and S eventually came to be written over each other, giving rise to S. Another popular explanation is that is derived by the pillars of Hercules on Spanish coat of arms of the Spanish dollar. These pillars of Hercules on the silver Spanish dollar coins take the form of two vertical bars and a swinging cloth band in the shape of S. Yet another explanation suggests that the dollar sign was formed from the capital letters U and S written or printed on top of the other. This theory, popularized by novelist Ayn Rand in Atlas Shrugged, does not consider the fact that the symbol was already in use before the formation of the United States. History of US dollar. The US dollar was introduced at per Spanish American silver dollar or Spanish peso, Spanish mill dollar, 8 real coin piece of it. The latter was produced from the rich silver mine output of Spanish America, minted in Mexico City, Potosi, and Lima, elsewhere, and was in wide circulation throughout the Americas, Asia, and Europe. From the 16th to 19th centuries, the minting of machine milled Spanish dollar since 1732 boosted its worldwide reputation as a trade coin and a positioned it to be model for the new currency of the United States. Even after the United States mint commons issuing coin in 1972, locally minted dollar and cents were less abundant in circulation than Spanish American pesos and reales. Hence, Spanish Mexican and American dollar all remained legal tender in the United States until the Coinage Act of 1857. In particular, coinage familiarity with the Spanish 2 real quarter peso was the reason for issuing a quasi-decimal 25-cent quarter dollar coin rather than a 20-cent coin. For the relationship between the Spanish dollar and the individual state colonial currencies, see Connecticut pound, Delaware pound, Georgia pound, Maryland pound, New Hampshire pound, New Jersey pound, New York pound, North Carolina pound, Rhode Island pound, South Carolina pound, and Virginia pound. On the 6th of July 1795, the Continental Congress resolved the